What's up YouTube? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Fearsome Top 5 na ang pamagat ay 5 scary ghost videos you need to see. So make sure magsusubscribe kayo dito kay Fearsome Top 5. So wag na natin patagalin to, let's go sa go!
Welcome to Fearsome Top 5. If you're a fan of the paranormal, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're going to take a look at 5 creepy videos that really need an explanation. Number 1. TikTok user Simon Locke is a security guard who has been experiencing creepy paranormal activity at the property he does security for. Simon began documenting these strange occurrences on TikTok, which quickly caught a lot of people's attention, including mine. Well, he recently posted a new video to TikTok, which shows exactly what he's been dealing with.
I was just doing my rounds and then I heard this. Hold up. Oh my God.
Nako. Ay nako, nagalit.
After hearing a strange noise coming from a back room, Simon went to investigate. As he got to the room and began recording, we can still hear the strange banging noise coming from somewhere around him. And it looks like Simon came prepared as he splashes this door with holy water. Unfortunately for him, it looks like whatever spirit was in this room didn't like that very much, as it then began banging on the door in front of him, then knocking over his flashlight. And that right there was enough activity to send Simon running, and I can see why. Number 2.
Para sa akin legit yung una. Kasi yung katok marinig natin sa observation ko. Sa observation ko nga na mukhang galing doon sa pinto, mukhang doon galing sa loob ng opisina. Tapos syempre sa mga ganung lugar, marami ding kwento na doon madalas marami nagpaparamdam. Kahit sa mga dating kong pinagtrabahuan, na pag napunta daw sila sa mga ganung madidilim, pag may mga pinapakuha yung mga dati kong amo din doon sa dati kong work, marami silang kwento na may mga ganito, paramdam daw, ganyan-ganyan. So para sa akin legit yun. Tapos syempre nung sinabuhay ng holy water, syempre ayon nung spirito or nung entity. Kaya, I think baka nga demonyo yun eh. Kaya siguro nagalit. Yun yung observation ko. Baka sa akin legit yun.
This next video was uploaded by YouTube user Philip Leonetti. One night at 1:24 a.m., Philip received a motion-detected notification from the security camera on his house. Out of curiosity, he decided to take a look, and when he did, he got the surprise of a lifetime.
Ayun.
Clear as day, we can see the vague silhouette of someone or something walking down the street in front of Philip's house. And this creepy transparent being seems to fade in and out of view, and at times almost becoming completely invisible. But the one thing that remains in view for the entire video is a disembodied pair of legs that continue walking down the street. But was this actually something paranormal? Or perhaps just a glitch with the camera? Let me know what you think. Number 3.
Para sa akin legit din to. Hindi, para for me kasi kinakita doon sa camera sa CCTV yung paglakad kasi at dark figure eh. Kung glitch kasi yun dapat malabo. Pero nung nakikita, mukha siyang dark figure naglakad mukhang kalahati pa nga muna nung katawan niya, ta's napunta sa dilim, biglang kalahati pa nung yung pambaba naman, yung lower part na kalahati ang nakunan. So, I think, legit yun, legit na multo yung nakunan doon sa CCTV.
YouTube user John T. Cash recently uploaded a video to YouTube that caught my eye. Normally, I try to avoid showing videos of just orbs caught on camera, unless they really stand out as being something otherworldly. Well, this YouTube user was lucky enough to capture one of the most interesting videos of an orb that I've ever seen. And he captioned the video by asking, "Anyone have any idea as to what is going on?" When John received a motion-detected notification from his Ring camera, this was definitely the last thing that he expected to see. Two large ghostly orbs slowly float throughout his living room. And the interesting thing is, I don't think I've ever seen another video of orbs that look quite like these. Almost appearing as two tiny UFOs, these orbs have me stumped as to what they could possibly be. But whatever they are, they look to be enjoying John's house while he's away. Number 4.
May ganun palang orb.
TikTok user Amanda Lawrence is a woman who has been experiencing paranormal activity inside of her home. Since the start of this strange activity, Amanda has installed a few cameras around her place. The activity she was experiencing started off small, with objects moving on their own and lights turning on by themselves. But from the looks of her most recent video, this activity is beginning to escalate.
Oh! Uy!
As Amanda's cat laid down next to the couch, it appears as if something quickly snatches the cat and drags it out of frame. This clearly startled the cat, sending it running. And from the looks of it, Amanda's dog is also super confused as to what just happened. Now I've heard that ghosts aren't capable of this kind of activity, but demons on the other hand can pull, yank, drag, and scratch. So it may just be time for Amanda to call a priest. Number 5.
Sabagay kasi kung may tao naman yun, hindi mag-react ang ganun ng aso. Kaya lang kasi nga doon nagulat din yung aso eh. Makikita dun sa reaction din na palapit siya. Iniisip siguro kung sino yung humila doon sa pusa.
The last video that we're gonna take a look at today was posted by TikTok user Alyssa Nash. Now I'm not sure if Alyssa is the original person that captured this video, but I must say, whoever owns the house that's in this video may just want to consider moving.
Wow! May dumaan. Ayan no, parang usok oh. po.
As the video begins, we can see an orb float across the screen, which is then followed by two misty white apparitions. The video then cuts to the camera in the dining room, where the activity continues. As these dogs are minding their own business, the chair that's in front of them repeatedly gets pulled out, further and further from the table. But could this be those apparitions from earlier that are causing this to happen? We may never know. It looks like you made it to the end and survived 5 videos of ghosts caught on camera. Now, if you've been enjoying these videos and you want to show your support...
Okay, tapos na pala to. So, mag-subscribe kayo dito kay Fearsome Top 5. Makatapos tayo. Nung pala sa last part, masasabi ko, yung usok, pag mga ganong usok na dumadaan sa camera, lalo na kung tingin nyo wala talagang panggagalingan ng usok gaya ng apoy, malaki ang chance na legit yung nakuna na multo. So, yun lang. So, subscribe kayo kay Fearsome Top 5. So, thank you so much sa pagsama. See you in my next video and mag-iingat po kayo palagi.